Assalamualaikum. My name is TEDxKids I am 13 years old. I am from Lower Pakistan. I am a student at Khan School Online Academy Foundation level, first batch student. It is my another TEDx style review, so let's start. In her TEDx style, Gwen Coffey, a 9-year-old student, shares her feeling about how kids often are no at school, no talking, no running, no time. She believes that children should have more freedom to play and learn on other own. Join a call adult who trust kids more, allowing them to grow by making their own choice and learning from experience. Key point: kids here know too much. They need freedom to play and learn. Trusting kids helps them grow. Thank you for watching.